Hello again, everyone. This is Manager08. We're back here at Bioshock Infinite, episode 4, I believe. And let's go with Elizabeth. Yeah.
It's his job to keep me locked up in here.
We'll see about that.
Oh boy. Come on, Booker. Let's take her out of here.
Why did you come here?
Elizabeth.
This way, come on!
Oh god, I don't like that noises. I don't like them at all. Oh boy.
Wait!
What is that?
Hurry!
I really don't like that.
Call the elevator!
What?
The hell is... Press the button!
What is all this? They were watching me? All this time? Why? Why did they put me in here? What am I? What am I?
You're the girl who's getting out of this tower.
Yeah, that happened.
This way!
Holy crap, I
We
made
have
it.
to keep moving. He's
I thought I would
tearing the
die.
building apart.
Be careful, Elizabeth!
How do you know my name?
Not now!
Hurry! There's a door here.
Elizabeth!
Out of the way, let me try.
Let's go, Booker.
Which way?
Yeah. I don't even want to know what that was. Oh boy. Holy crap, what is that? Let's just get out of here. Oh. This is why I don't like heights, because it's just one little slip and you're all the way down. Splat. Like that. Oh god. Six Flags all over again. I don't like it. Man, they really like destroying stuff. Oh. What are you? What?
Mr. DeWitt! Mr. DeWitt! Swing up the curb and wipe away the debt! Are you in there, DeWitt?
What do you want with her?
We got a deal, DeWitt!
Tell me what you want with her.
Open this door right now!
Are you going to hurt her? Tell me what you want!
Yes.
Anna? Anna? Anna.
No, it's me, Elizabeth. Are you all right?
Where am I?
Back in the land of the living. Here, let me.
I'll be fine.
You almost drowned. You need to...
I said I'm fine. Just give me a minute.
Oh, is there a love interest going
Do you
on?
hear that? It's music.
That's what the
Go on,
painting is.
Just need to-
Okay, I won't be long. I won't be long, Mr. DeWitt.
Where is she?
Now where'd she go? That was quite a shift in dynamic. I'll take a silver eagle, figure it out. There's something here. Yeah. Let's go see what we got.
Airship. That could be our ticket out of here.
Yeah. Let me see it.
The whole thing's rigged. All I want is fair pay for an honest day's work.
Well, work with me. We can get that done. That was quite a lot of silver eagles in there.
Everything's cheap. Tell me about it. An Oriental stopped me on the street and asked me for the time. Just like that.
Not
There should
here.
be a law. I think there is.
Oh, I hate that so much. There's Elizabeth.
Hey, missing. Miss. Could you just... Hey, I need you to stop. Please stop.
Booker seems to be annoyed.
Hey, Miss. Miss Elizabeth.
Hello. Oh, this is wonderful. Well, come dance with me, Mr. DeWitt.
I don't dance. Come on, let's go.
Why? What could be better than this?
How about Paris?
Paris? I don't understand. How could we get there?
That's where that airship's going, but if you want to stay and dance, we
No,
can...
let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go right now.
Okay.
I'm out. It's hard to believe, but it's true, isn't it? Oh, can you smell that? I've never smelled anything like that before, have you?
Right.
Beaches I know don't smell much like that.
Mr. DeWitt, Comstock. I've read about him. They say he can see the future.
Give a man a little power. He falls in all kinds of love with himself.
I don't like his look.
Do you dislike the look of the prophet or his gaze?
Can we leave now?
Yeah. That's about the truest statement you can say. Just a little bit of power. They fall in love with themselves. Alright, let's go. Had enough sightseeing, I see?
That fall into the water did you no favors. I'll keep an eye out for something that might ease your pain.
Or I could just eat pineapples.
Mr. DeWitt, here.
Bird.
Or the cage.
Or perhaps the bird.
Nothing beats the cage.
These two again. How do...
Those two.
Never mind.
They're from this ship.
Look at these, they're amazing. Which one do you like more, this one or this? The bird is beautiful, and the cage is somber, but there's really something special about it. I just can't decide.
I always choose the bird.
The one on the right.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
I love it.
Surprising. I expected the cage.
If you're going to be a sore loser, then I shan't do this again.
Now that's just sophistry.
My God.
It has to be.
Look,
Are you all right?
it was my home.
We should get out of here.
Let's go.
He tells us what he tries. It's okay. It's okay.
Oh, Frederick.
That was the song.
He'll set this right. He's the sword of vengeance.
And you willing to follow something that wants vengeance?
Aren't we the well-to-do types?
Need to build up my health because I have to go fight for you.
Sure you have a piece of photographic identification ready for presentation.
Put those arms up now. Fingers apart. Legs apart. Stand still. Now hold steady.
I ain't getting through there.
I have just the thing. Come on.
This one. Hey, copper. Look at this one. He's suspicious, if you ask
I
me.
don't see the point of stopping
All
all
right,
of
all right. Quiet down there, dude.
Did you hear
Go
about
home
the
and dry
statue?
yourself.
My God, what's happening?
You should just finish your thinking and be done with it.
What is happening?
Damn thing's locked.
Oh, you gonna do your wizardry?
What are you doing?
You're a roguish type. What does it look like? Done.
Where did you learn to pick locks?
Trapped in a tower with nothing but books and spare time? You would be surprised what I know how to do.
Oh, there's something suggesting there. No, I'm being stupid. Sorry.
I must take any task with more than the slightest. Hello, sir. Don't you pay me no never mind? Just some foolishness, you know. Just monkey shine.
I don't know why you would choose to
I
be
found these
here.
silver eagles. There's a vending device over there. There might be something to bring you back to health.
It's probably a good idea.
Okay.
Hey, mister. We'd like to help you.
Do I know you?
Back at the lottery, without you, we wouldn't have gotten away.
Daisy always said somebody like you would come along.
Huh. So I did a good thing.
Is your housekeeper acting suspicious? Try asking the girl a few key questions. Such as, don't you think those Vox Populi folk have a valid complaint against the puppet? And I'm sure some of
Motorized patriot cabinet.
Are you do? Or an dimwit?
What's that?
There you go, little miss. Cotton candy here. It's your cotton candy.
I did like, you know, once you got into Bioshock, immediately it was always constant war, attack. It's nice to see that the city is still alive.
She's not well.
What do you mean, not well?
As in one stalk, no husband.
Come and take a photograph with the father of our country. Chop down the cherry tree. He crossed the Delaware.
Over here.
Bended knee.
Wallace
He
Flintlock.
accepted the sword from
It's the
ancient
newest one in the series.
Come on.
I read it was delayed 3
To
times.
the flag and to the nation. holy prophecy.
Why is one bathroom for colors and the other for whites?
Exactly.
It just is.
Seems like an unnecessary complication. Trying to get us both arrested?
It seems so.
It's one thing to find out you're running around planting kisses on other girls, but little Mary McCarthy and that horrid Aaron O'Connor, if your father found out.
Sounds like he's doing what he should be doing.
I swear, the service gets worse here every time we come back.
Catch, Mr. DeWitt.
They're so rude to him. Gain Savage Man of 4. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa.
Puts himself
She's
in way of
working,
danger between
Yes.
Columbia
At a
and
newspaper.
Armory Street.
That's the modern woman, I suppose.
It doesn't.
This game captures the 1920s.
Annabelle?
Excuse me?
Annabelle, it's me, Esther.
Oh, no, I'm not Annabelle.
Are you sure?
My name is Elizabeth. Do I know you?
Elizabeth. Isn't that a lovely name?
That was odd.
Yeah.
Last customer. Park's closing. Park's closing, everyone.
Yeah, these shoes sure could benefit from a shine. Guess I haven't paid much attention.
Excuse me.
Hey, you want to watch out? I just swapped that.
Have you got sauerkraut?
Sauerkraut? I guess so.
I'll take, one, please. How much?
One silver eagle.
All right.
Let's go.
If you're in such a hurry, go on ahead.
2 tickets for passage to the First Lady airship.
Yeah, just a minute, friend. Yeah, I have it. How do you, want to proceed?
In a bit of a rush, pal.
Hey, mister, you're gonna get mustard all over your nice suit.
I got it. I'll ring you back once the matter's in hand.
I don't like this.
Yeah, send in the bird. We're ready to execute.
Excuse me, can I get some help here?
Certainly, sir. Sorry about the wait!
What are you doing? Get the girl! Get off of me!
You're all gonna die now.
Away from me! Let me out! I want
Elizabeth!
out! Stay away from me!
Don't make me do this!
I'm not making you do anything. I hope you enjoy that.
Elizabeth!
Someone you know could have leanings. The Prophet advises you to remain vigilant. And now, back to the music.
It's time to end this! Ready for me?
Seems you weren't ready for me. Alright, let's get a shotgun out, man.
Where is she?
That one did crap real quickly.
Right.
Just stay where you are!
Get away from
Hey,
me!
come back here!
Come on, we need to talk. I guess you don't want to talk, huh? No one ever wants to talk to Booker. Okay, let's do it.
Kill those people. I can't believe you did that. They're all dead. You killed those people.
Elizabeth,
You're a monster.
what did you think was going to happen?
What?
Do you understand the expense people went through to keep you locked up in that tower? You think people like that are just going to let you walk away? You are an investment, and you will not be safe until you are far away from here.
What do they want from me?
I don't know. That's the last time anyone gets the drop on me.
I hope so.
Let me see your hand. What happened back there? It's not the last of it, is it?
I don't know.
There.
Thank you, Elizabeth.
I suppose I best get used to it. I've read a thing or two about medicine. Do my best to keep you surviving the weakness. Dig deeper. Try to keep you on the side of the abyss.
So I wonder if all these choices that I make, you know, not throwing the ball at the people, matter in the end, you know? I hope they do. But maybe it doesn't. Oh, we'll see. Yeah, let's go. I think we're out of here. People will die for their beliefs, no matter how false or weird they are. They love their beliefs. It's a sad truth of humanity, isn't it?
There's a lock over there.
Oh, yeah. Thanks for being obvious. Oh, I missed one of those things. Back at the... Oh.
The gate's shut up tight. Now how are we gonna get to the airship?
Let me see if I can get that gate open by hand.
Oh, that's not the one I wanted. Ooh, machine gun ammo, absolutely.
Soldier's Field, built in 1903 by the hand of our prophet.
Interest as a prophet having a bunch of carnies and carousels.
The place is themed to acquaint children with national service.
You mean the military?
Train up a child in the way he should go, even when he is old, to not depart from it.
Did you write that?
No.
Oh, absolutely. So yeah, I can upgrade my guns as well.
Found some money. Here you go.
Thank you. You've been a sweetheart.
Elizabeth.
I'll see what I can do. Ready.
Thank you, Elizabeth.
Nice.
I had a friend who played Bioshock.
What happens if someone finds us here?
You tell them we got lost looking for the bathroom.
And that works.
Not usually.
The carbine? 5 lockpicks? Man, that's a letdown. There's no way I could ever find 5. So that was a waste of money, spending all that to upgrade my... Oh well.
You could try forcing it open.
I guess that's an option.
Shocky jockey. Who needs the power company?
Some fool's alternative to electricity.
Doesn't seem to work very well.
Alright. Salt. I'll take it. Okay.
There it is. First lady. Looks like it's heading for the dock.
That will take us to Paris.
Okay.
Just stay close.
Yes, Mr. DeWitt.
Call me Booker.
All right, Booker. Should we head to...
Hot dogs! Get 'em hot here! We got dogs for the boys!
You want one? I'll get you one. Ooh. Game's getting a little bit jumpy right now.
Our ice-cold Colombian ice cream is a culinary marvel. Hey, I worked hard for that.
Oops. I didn't mean to do that. I really didn't. Crap. That was like honestly a mistake. I did not mean for that to happen.
We're gonna get you!
Holy crap. That did some work. My headphones. Oh, your pistol. Ouch. That was honestly a mistake. Crap, man. I just wanted to walk by and not have a problem. For only 28? That was not worth it.
Do you know why you were hired to come and get me?
I imagine they were interested in meeting you. No doubt for lockpicking lessons.
Why you?
I never even heard of this place before I got here.
Oh. I assumed Columbia was common knowledge below.
Guess I got a bit behind with current events.
Will continue after a moment of silent prayer for the victims of today's brutality.
Yeah, me. And my hand. They better pray for my hand. It's horrible what they did to my hand.
What are you, Mr. DeWitt? Some sort of...
I'm a, independent contractor. Used to work for the Pinkertons and such. Not something you'd want gracing a resume.
Pinkertons? Weren't they the ones they'd call in to settle things when the workers took to striking?
Settle. Oh, that's a word for it.
Oh, yeah, in Pittsburgh. I remember that. It was a gigantic war. Basically hired a bunch of mercenaries, the company. Mr. Carnegie. It's not exactly a good thing. Bloodbath. It was a stupid, pointless bloodbath. So I'm not exactly a good guy here, it seems.
I need to summon the gondola if we intend to reach that airship.
These seem to be the controls that summoned her.
Is it? Not good. And I did not want to steal.
Should've listened!
Hey. What is this? Is it a unique shotgun? I'll take it. Yeah, that's awesome.
I warned you!
So, Mr. DeWitt, is there a woman in your life?
There was. She died.
How?
Giving birth.
You have a child?
No.
Okay. That's interesting, Mr. DeWitt. Alright, so I got myself a fancy new shotgun. And we're about to go summon this. But I think that's been this episode, people. I hope you enjoyed. Come see some more, I hope. This has been the Man Says DeWitt. I hope you enjoyed.